Alright, so I know this might be a little weird because we in my bathroom and we ain't never been in my bathroom before, but stay with me, okay? Because today I'm bringing you something I'm excited about. Okay, so today we are talking about the Vitaclean wall shower mount. Yeah. So let's get into it. This is the shower mount I bought. So they offer two different kinds. They have the shower mount, the shower wall mount. My bad. This is the shower wall mount. So they have this kind, which I mean basically looks like if you have a shower head that looks like this, and then they have the one for that's like they have the one that's like the tube, and then it has like a circular thing on the like end of it for if you have like a handheld shower. So they offer two different types of shower heads depending on the type of shower you have. They tell you on the website how to tell like which shower head you have, which you think would be self-explanatory, but they also tell you like how to take off your current shower head so you can put this one on and how to measure, and they give you all the details on the website. They even let you choose which little inserts you want to go into your shower head. So let's get into that part. So I'm gonna, other thing, they have like little decorations. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I have like photos and videos where it has like little white little diamonds around it. They have one that has black diamonds around it, and then there's also one that has like nothing. It's just like silver, so there's no decoration on this section. But let's open this bad boy up, because this part, the inside, is really what makes the Vitaclean shower head just like so amazing. This has essential oils in it. So this has my rose essential oils in it, and it also has my vitamin C in it. So that's another thing. Not only does the Vitaclean remove 90% of chlorine, but it also gives you this like refreshing, like consistent shower of like vitamin C and essential oils, which based on the reviews and based on what Vitaclean says is going to be good for your skin and your hair. And I mean, vitamin C, as we all know, is great for brightening. So I'm hoping it can do something with the dark spots I got on my face, but we'll see what happens. So on top of this, I'm just gonna put this on my toilet because you know, who has like actual shelving in their bathroom? It's like a 2x2. I don't know what to do. You also get this little doodad here. So this is actually comprised of two different parts. First, we have these little bubbles here, and these are, so, ooh, that comes apart. Got to be careful. Got to be more careful. Yeah, I just referenced that. I know it's old. I don't care. Okay, so this is like the bottom where like all the water's coming out. This goes inside of that. So the top part, the water's going to hit this blue part first. It's going to go through the little rocks that they have inside, and that's going to help filter it. And then you have this cloth right here that is going to be the final kind of like filtration portion that the water hits before it actually goes through the holes in here and hits your skin. So the water is going through essential oils, it's going through 2 steps of filtration, and then it's going to finally hit your skin. They also claim that they help use less water, that like their shower mounts help use less water. And when I got this and actually like looked it over, I could definitely see how. I'm over there and I'm filling the water. That stream was amazing. All the different little holes it has for the water to come out of. Y'all saw that stream. And that stream on your body, oh, like everyone's like, oh, it's like a spa in your bathroom. Like the website's like, you have a spa in your bathroom. And I'm like, okay, I hear the spa. I hear what you're saying. But let's see what happens. Not gonna lie. That was, oh my God, it felt so good. Like, I don't think you understand just how good that felt. I'm sitting there standing there and just feeling it on both sides, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this feels so good. This is so relaxing. Lifting the hair, like, yes, this is feeling good. and then you start smelling like the essential oil, you start smelling the rose. I didn't smell any vitamin C, so I guess that's like a good thing, because I don't know how the rose and vitamin C would mix together, but I could smell the rose. It was nice. It was like relaxing. It was a very mature scent. I don't know if I get it again. It came with this wall mount, so since I chose the white wall mount, that's the one that came with it. So I mean, when I buy more, I get to choose my scent. The one I was eyeing was the coconut and vanilla one, so I'll check that one out and see if I like it. I really like tropical scents and like kind of uplifting scents. That's not really it. It really like mellows you out. So I mean, that's a good thing for like nighttime. Given that it's nighttime, it's a good thing. But yeah, it felt so good. And then I had to remember, like, yo, you need to actually shower. Like, you need to add some like soap to this, girl. Like, what are you doing? And I'm like, oh yeah. The other thing is, let's look at the shower head I had before. With the amount of nozzles this has on it compared, yeah, these are nozzles. So the amount of nozzles this has on it compared to the amount of holes that the Vitaclean has in it, definitely a whole lot more water came out. So I'm not really sure about that saving consumption when you have like the amount of water that comes out of this versus the amount of water that comes out of that thing. And like, y'all see how big it is, but if you need to, I'll give you some refreshers on how big it is. But let's see how many times I can say how big it is. Anyway, but yeah, I really liked it. I'm excited for it. But with the amount of nozzles that's on my old shower head compared to the amount of hose that was on that one, my bathtub definitely got water in it, like quicker. So I don't know if that means I have to work on like the drainage now in my bathtub to be like, because my feet, they weren't 100% submerged by the end of the shower, but they were getting there. They really were. So yeah, it was wonderful. Now, as you know, to shower. So there's a review on the body wash I chose to use. But thanks for joining. You'll see the review later. Bye.